Hi, I'm Owen. I'm a wildlife illustrator and photographer, and this month has been a really exciting one. To start with, all the prints that I packaged and posted out in my last art video have all arrived safely, and I've actually sold out now of all the rest of the prints, so thank you very much for that. I got to prepare a few more envelopes, write a few more authentication cards, and do some more thank you sketches. I really like these. I think they're some of the favorites that I've ever done, so I hope they'll make a nice addition to the final few orders. I collected everything up and then got to packaging. And here they are, being sent off to their final destinations. And this last month I've been quite busily preparing for my university degree show. I've been studying graphic design for the past 3 years, and now it's all coming to an end with like a nice big show where we get to showcase our work to people from industry, but just the general public as well. So for that show, I've been preparing a lot of business cards. I think I might have needed some more in the end compared to this big pile that you're seeing. I also made a couple badges just as like little additional aspects to the stand. And of course the big banners themselves, which mine went through quite a few iterations, but I think I landed on quite a nice final setup. And here's how my little section looked. It's full up of my third year projects, and then I also have a show reel showcasing a couple more as well. And here's a look at some of the physical things on my stand as well. And to wrap things up, last weekend I got to attend the world's largest bird and wildlife show, which is called Global Bird Fair. Not only was that a ton of fun by itself, and I got to meet some amazing people and some people that I've admired through Instagram for a long time, but I also got the opportunity to paint on the mural that was there too. This is what the mural looked like on day 1. It's of the Galilee mountain range in Egypt, and it's going to be displayed in their new flagship bird observatory once it's complete, which sounds amazing. I started off simple with a little house fire because it's something I'm familiar with, and I haven't used acrylics before, so it was a first for me. I then worked up the confidence to move to something slightly larger, which was a buzzard. And this is how much I got done on day 1, and how the final mural looked after day 1. Day 2 was a lot busier. I managed to finish off my house fire and my step buzzard too. And here's how the final mural looked like after day 2. a lot of progress, which is awesome to see, and some of them have the most amazing details in them. It was very impressive. The whole event was amazing. I got to meet and talk with so many talented artists and people that I'd been following online for a long time, so that was really cool. I picked up a couple of things myself, which I'm looking forward to using, and got to meet and chat with Jack Badams, who is a guy that I've looked up to for a while, so yeah, incredible by itself. I just want to say a thank you again to Mark and to everyone there who made me feel so welcome. It's definitely a couple of days that I'm going to remember for a very long time. So thank you very much to everyone that was there. And that's a wrap on everything that I've been up to. I hope you've enjoyed it. This month it's been hectic, but it's been a lot of fun. And thank you for 1,000 subs. It's a really cool little milestone to reach, so I really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll see you all again soon with another cool project. Bye.